In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export the audio only in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free so that you can have something like this
So MJ, if compound interest and
to this in less than 2 minutes. Step number 1, drag on the video clip that you want to use or convert and export into audio only. Drag the video clip onto the timeline and then find the portion of the clip that you want to export to the audio only by highlighting it and then adding an in and an out point. Next step is to click Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Underneath the export settings, underneath format, click the drop down arrow and click on MP3. Underneath preset, click the drop down arrow and now choose the audio quality. And in this case, I'm clicking the MP3 256 or the highest quality setting. Name your audio file and then click save and click export. And this is the before.
So MJ, if compound interest and investing savings.
And this is the after.
So MJ, if compound interest and